Alright, good morning. Try to make this a really quick video. I like sitting out here in the backyard in my chair. It's a fold-up chair I got on Amazon. Oversized, heavy duty, of course, they say. But the footrest wore out, so I replaced it with a new one here, and I added a couple of extras on here. The head pillow was completely freaking rotted out, so I had a spare one, and I put that on there. But what I wanted to show you is cheap hardware I just had to replace on this unit. And it's right down here. These pivot points, right here, and right here. These are soft Chinese frickin' bolts. And to be honest with you, a lot of the weight bearing, this one was bent. This bolt in there was bent. So I replaced the hardware with grade 8 and grade 5 quarter 20s with these, call them aircraft nuts in the Air Force, but they won't back out. And lots of washers and all kinds of stuff in here, but these are the only ones I can replace. And I just tested it out and it works freaking great. I did both sides, sat down on it, and it is perfect now. And lastly, this is the wood trim piece. And last night I got out the Gorilla Glue and glued everything back on here. Clamped this one down because it was separating so bad. And I may put a bolt and nut in here to hold this down some more. But I'm going to let this set all day with these clamps. And then I'm going to sand and stain this all pretty. The eyelets are separating just a little bit right down here, from sitting down on it. But it seems to be holding up pretty good. And I guess that's the difference between my generation and the younger generation is if something breaks, they just throw it away. And my generation is you just fix it. It took me a half an hour to get this chair all good again. And I also took a 2-gallon bucket of hot water and some Tide and scrubbed this all down, and then sprayed it off with a garden hose and let it dry. And then I've got some silicone, Campers waterproof or silicone. I'm going to spray this down to keep everything watertight, waterproof or whatever. So there you have it. It's been a really good chair. Just want to keep it lasting as long as I can. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.